Hey, it's Derek here from Mark Wahlberg Airstream and RV. I thought rather than send you just some photos, why not just shoot you a video here? Might give you a little bit better idea of overall conditions and just some photos. I guess starting with the front, you can see we do get some minor kind of chips and scrapes. Nothing super traumatic that you wouldn't expect with any type of mileage on one of these. Down this side, I'd say is the worst when it came. I said there's a little bit of delamination going on there, some bubbling, but not really bad. So tires are new on it. Generator has been serviced. I gotta look to see the hours. Still haven't quite got to that. Just want to show you back here. This is probably the worst of the body damage. Back end is clean. Looks got a Tom Raper sticker on it. I don't know if that's where it originally came from. It'd be my guess. It's Eastern Ohio. They've been gone for a while though. I think it turned into a Camping World. Roadside is in good condition. So just like you said, maybe noticing the photos, the paint actually does have some shine left in it. Windshield, oh yeah, there's a crack in the windshield up here. That is something worth a note. Go inside. Just got the power steps. We did have the interior steam cleaned. I'd say there's the slightest odor of mothballs to it. Nothing super traumatic though. Galley, double sink, 3 burner stove top. And it's got the oven below, microwave above. Looks like a 2-way refrigerator. The master's in here. You got another couch in the bed once that's pushed out. Bathroom in here. Everything just got winterized. Let's go. Dinette. Well, also too, a little TV. You can see that's had some water damage to it there. You do there too. Here's a cold start. I've not started yet, so we'll see what happens here. Foot on brake. There you go. Like I said, she's dead cold. She starts nice. No exhaust gases in my face, so that's a plus. 5,600 miles on it, so yeah, definitely some light miles. Old video camera. It does work in person. On camera it's got a very slow refresh rate, so it looks a little weird on camera, but it does work. Got the Kenwood CD player there. I'll be quiet, you can listen. I'm no mechanic, but I don't hear any ticking or bad sounds. I'm gonna do a shot underneath it. But yeah, she sounds good. I hope this gives you a little bit better idea. If you guys want to make the trip up, she's ready to go. If you get any questions, don't hesitate. Obviously, I'm gonna text you this link for my cell phone. Give me a call if any questions. And yeah, nice talking with you. Bye.